Subway and
we're gonna order.
Okay. Okay. Wait.
Hello.
Hi. Now I don't know what I want. Can I get a 6-inch steak and cheese?
On what bread?
On wheat. Healthy.
Sure.
You want toasted with cheese, man?
Sorry?
Toasted with cheese.
Yes.
Smile, Verne. Okay. You tag. And then it goes into the toaster. Ooh. Fancy stuff. What do I want? What do I want?
Food. A sandwich. We have a very healthy cookies for breakfast.
Of course. Damn straight. And now it's made.
Everything fine.
Can I just get lettuce and tomatoes in it?
Tomato.
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 Whatever. Are you like cereal?
Anything else, ma'am?
And mayo.
Sausage. What sauce
So
do you
healthy.
want?
Mayo.
Anything else?
That's it.
Wrap it up. That's a sandwich.
That's how you make a sandwich.
Yes. And then you're gonna get your drinks. And then you eat over there.
Anything else, ma'am? Please.
Can I get water? Sorry. Cold.
Warm or cold. And that's how you order a sandwich.